beautiful people, welcome to another interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can put on your eye contact lenses easily as a beginner. So if you have that special occasion you want to attend and you are looking for a way to enhance your look with your eye contact lenses, definitely this video is for you and you want to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie, you are a beginner, you are a freshener, you don't even know anything about eye contact at all. This video is specially made for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the eye contact I'm going to use is this fresh look color blend. Let me show you guys. This is it. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is it. So I'm just going to open it now and show you guys how it looks inside. This is how it looks. This is the tool inside. This is it. This is the contact lenses, and these are gray colors. This is it. And guys, before you put on your eye contact lenses, listen carefully. What did I say? Listen carefully. You need to wash your hands. These hands you are seeing, you need to wash them properly and clean so that it will remove any dirt in your hand, because it's a matter of the eye we are talking about here. So you know how delicate it is. So your hands needs to be washed properly and dried with a towel or anything. So I'm just going to wash my hands now. So I'm just going to pick one of the eye contact lenses and put it inside my eye. So guys, watch what I will be doing. So this is one of the eye contact lens. This is it. This is it. I'm just going to open it now. This thing is very strong. This thing is very, oh, this is it. This is the water. So I'm just going to pick it out. This is the contact here. So I'm just going to drop this one here in my other hand. And your eye contact lens should be placed on top of this hand like this, not like this. It should be put on this hand like this when you want to put it in. So I'm going to do it like this. Be careful so that it not fall on the floor. This bend is not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be in a basket shape. So I'm just going to return it back. Yeah. So this is how it should be in your hands, like this, the tip of your finger like this. So what I'm going to do now is to put it inside my eye. So I'm going to use my mirror to do that. So guys, watch. You use your two fingers like this. You used to open your eyes very well. I have small eyes.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.
So guys, don't worry about your water dripping from your eye. It's normal, and your eye might be red. It's normal, it's part of it. So this is the first one. We are going to put on the second side now. So let's open the other one again. So this is the other one. We are just going to open it just the same way we did for the first one. So pick it out. Ensure your hands are very clean. Ensure it's very clean. So put it here. So this is it. So guys, it's normal for your eye to be red and bringing out water, because it's normal, and his eyes we are talking about here, and you know eye is very delicate. Cover the both eyes and move it up, down, and all that. So guys, this is it. Just my eyes, but don't worry. Beauty is pain, like beauty is pain. You can see my face now that my eyes are different for the way it was. Look at how beautiful it is now and all that. So guys, you can see how beautiful it is. These are just the both eyes and I'm done with both of them and they're all looking beautiful and cute. So eye contact help you to enhance your makeup look, and before you wear them or before you put them on, you need to put them on first before you start your makeup so that the tears will not ruin your makeup that you've done. So after you have put them on, wait for like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, then you start applying your makeup. So it's as easy as this. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take off your eye contact lenses with cotton ball. New method, right? So you can use your hand to take your eye contact lenses out, but my own method, the new trick that I learned recently, how you can take off your eye contact lenses using your cotton ball, So thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.